Hello students of standard 9, how are you? Fine. Beta, in the last few lectures I have discussed you about how to find out the area of a triangle using the Heron's formula. You were knowing about that thing. Today I will make you clear that how we can get the answers by actual area of triangle also and by using the Heron's formula also. I will make you realize that how Heron's formula is useful for us. So I am giving any questions over here. Suppose I am giving find an area of a right angle triangle whose sides are 5, 12 and 13. I am writing the questions over here. Question 1. Find the area of a right triangle whose sides are 5, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Suppose a question is been like this, a right triangle. So I will make you realize that by both formula I am getting the answers. Okay. Now I am applying first the area of right triangle. You know area of right triangle, that is half into base into height. Solutions is been over here. The area of a right triangle, that will be half into base into height. Half will be half, base. When we draw a right triangle, we already know the bigger side will be the hypotenuse, 5 and 12. So you can see over here that 5 is the base and 12 is the height. 30 centimeter square. So you got the answer 30 centimeter square by right triangle area formula. But now if you want to use it in the Heron's formula also, then we get? Yes, we can get. Now I am solving it with another method, that is by Heron's formula. A equals to 5, B 12 and C 13. I have taken out the Heron's formula. A is 5, B 12, C 13. As that is semi-perimeter, A plus B upon C upon 2, that is 5 plus 12 plus 13 divided by 2. We are getting 30 divided by 2, 15. So we got the value 15. Now applying the Heron's formula. Area of triangle by Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the Heron's formula. Value of S is over here 15. So 15 minus 5, 15 minus 12 and 15 minus 13. A, B, C. 15 is 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. 15 minus 12 is 3. 15 minus 13 is 2. Again I am splitting 15. 15 means 3 into 5. 10, that is 2 into 5. 3 into 2. Now I have already told you whenever a digit form a pair, then we can take out a single digit outside. Clearly we see 3 and 3 is forming a pair, so 3 out. 5 and 5 forming a pair, 5 out. 2 and 2 is forming a pair, 2 out. 5 3s are 30, 30 2s are, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30 centimeter square. So you can clearly see if we apply the formula of right triangle also, we are getting the answer 30, and if we are applying the formula of Heron's, we are also getting the answer 30. So like that I will make you again clear about the equilateral triangle also and about the isosceles triangles also. Okay. Now students, I am going to explain you about the equilateral triangle. How to take out the area of equilateral triangle by both methods. Using the its formula, that is root 3 by 4 side square, and also using by the Heron's formula. The question is being given, find the area of an equilateral triangle whose side is 10 centimeter. As we know that equilateral triangle is a triangle whose all sides are equal. जिसके तीनों साइड इक्वल होते हैं उसी को इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल्स कहते हैं. So I'm applying over here. Solution is over here. Area of an equilateral triangle equals to, the formula is root 3 by 4 side square. Root 3 by 4 side is 10 into 10. It's 2, 5, 5. So I've cancelled out 5 into 5 into root 3. That will be 25 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the solution of getting area of an equilateral triangle using equilateral triangle formula. Now I am getting how to find out area of an equilateral triangle using Heron's formula. So here I am drawing, let A equals to 10, B equals to 10 centimeter and C equals to 10 centimeter. All three sides same. Applying S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, that will be 10 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 2, 15. So we got the answer of area semi-perimeter is 15. Now applying Heron's formula. Area of triangle S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Here the S is given as 15, 15 minus 10, again 15 minus 10, again 15 minus 10, because A, B and C are all of 10 centimeter each. 15 will be 15, 5, 5, 5. Now I am splitting the 15, 3, 5, 5, 5 and 5. Now you can clearly see this 5 is forming a pair, so it came out. Area, this 5 is taken out. Again this 5 forming a pair, it's taken out, but the 3 is alone. So it will be inside the root. So 5 into 5 is 25 root 3 centimeter square. Clearly you can see over here, if we apply the formula of equilateral triangle, then also we are getting 25 root 3, and if we apply area of Heron's triangle also, then also we are getting the 25 root 3. Now I will make you understand about the isosceles triangle. Then I will make you understand why Heron's formula was derived. It was easy to take in, but in case of scalene triangle, it was very, very difficult. Okay? Now I will make you a question understood about the scalene triangle. Now students, I have explained you about the right triangle and equilateral triangle. Now I am going to explain you about isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangles? Isosceles triangles are the triangles having two equal sides, जिसके दो sides equal होते हैं. Okay? Here is an find the area of an isosceles triangle whose equal side is 5 centimeter and unequal side is 8 centimeter. Here a question has been given to you. Find an area of an isosceles triangle having two equal sides, each having a side of 5 and non-equal side, that is a base 8 centimeter. So diagram will be like this. This is 5, this is 5 and this is 8. So now I am solving the solution. let B equals to 5 with the equal side and A equals to 8 the base. This is 5 equal sides and this is base. We have considered it. Now I am applying area of an isosceles triangle. So area of an isosceles triangle equals to A upon 4 root over 4B square minus A square. This is the formula of an isosceles triangle. Now you can clearly see over here, A is 8. I am putting the value 8 by 4 root over 4 5 square minus 8 square. When I cancel it, we are getting 2. 2 25 into 5, 25, 25 4s are 100 minus 64. 2 36 means 2 into 6 is 12 centimeter square, because root 36 is a root of 6. So I have taken out 6 out. 2 into 6, 12. So this is a formula of getting out area of a triangle. Area of triangle, that is by isosceles triangle. Now I am using the Heron's formula. Let A equals to 8, B equals to 5 and C equals to 5, because two equal sides. S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 8. 5 plus 5 upon 2, it will be 18 divided by 2, 9. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 8, 18 divided by 2, 9. Now area of triangle, I am using the Heron's formula. S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Value of S is 9, 9 minus 8, 9 minus 5 and 9 minus 5. B and C value is 5. Now I will split out 9, that is 3 into 3, 1, 4 into 4. Now you can clearly see that 3 and 4 are forming the pair. So I have taken out 3. Therefore, area equals to 3 and here the 4 is forming a pair. 3 4s are 12 centimeter square. Now you can clearly see that while using the isosceles triangle formula also and using the Heron's formula, we are getting the same answer. It was very much clear till now. But now beta, circumstances happened that suppose a triangle has been given to you with unequal sides like 8, 11 and 13. It is an scalene triangle. So how to find out an area of an scalene triangle? So before Heron derived the Heron's formula, it was very impossible to derive an area of an scalene triangle. What is an scalene triangle? Again then questions comes. An scalene triangle is a triangle having all unequal sides. जिसके तीनों साइड्स इक्वल नहीं होते हैं उसको हम लोग स्केलेन ट्राइंगल कहते हैं. तो आई एम मेकिंग यू क्लियर कि अगर कोई साइड्स अनइक्वल हो तो उसका हम लोग कैसे आंसर्स निकालेंगे. तो आई एम शोइंग यू ओवर हियर. Suppose a case arises to you that find out the area of a triangle whose sides are 8, 11 and 13. At that time what you will do? It is not a right triangle, it is not an isosceles triangle and it is not an equilateral triangle. So that type of situations was also arises and that was the leading of discovery of Heron's formula. Heron's have derived a formula by which we can take out any triangle's area. The question is being given, find the area of a triangle whose sides are 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 13 centimeter. 3 sides are given and you have to find out the area. So it is a scalene triangle because three sides are unequal. The solution is being given. Let A equals to 8, B equals to 11 and C equals to 13 centimeter. So this is the way we have taken out A, B, C. Now I am using the semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2, 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 2, 8 plus 11, 19, 19 plus 13, it will be, how much it will be? 19 plus 13, 32 divided by 2, 16. So we got the value of S as 16. Now I am using Heron's formula. The area of triangle using Heron's formula is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. I am using the Heron's formula. The value of S is 16, 16 minus 8, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 13. A is 8, B is 11 and C is 13. 16, that is 4 into 4. 16 minus 8, it will be 8, that is 2 into 2 into 2. 16 minus 11 will be 5 and 16 minus 13 will be 3. Now we can clearly see, now we have to form a pair. So this 4 is forming a pair, so area equals to forming a pair, so 4 came out. This 2 is forming a pair, so 2 came out. But 2, 5 and 3 are unpaired. They don't have any more numbers with the same number. They are alone, 2, 5 and 3. It will be inside. 2 5s are 10, 10 into 3, 30. So it will be 8. So area of triangle will be 8 root 30 centimeter square. So now you cannot use the right triangle formula, equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle formula. Reason, because it is an scalene triangle. That's why we have discussed, this chapter is also known as Heron's formula. So according to the situations and according to the questions you can use the formula. But whenever you will given a scalene triangle, at that time you have to use the Heron's formula also. Related to this, I have given some for practicing. Okay, and please stay at home, stay healthy. Thank you.